Hello friends, this is Praveen Pawar. In this video, we will discuss the question paper of UGC-NET December 2015. This is paper 1. First, we will discuss from question number 1 to 30, and for rest of the questions, you can go to my next video. So here we will start. This is paper 1 and test booklet series set P. So here is paper 1. The note for this is that this paper consists of 60 multiple choice type of questions, out of which the candidate would be required to answer any 50 questions. In the event of candidate attempting more than 50 questions, the first 50 questions attempted by the candidate would be evaluated, and each questions are of 2 marks and total 100 marks. So question number 1 is that greater the handicap of the students coming to the educational institutions, greater the demand on the. So it's a correct answer. Obviously it is teacher. So in educational institute, our first and primary entity is teacher. So correct answer is third one. Now question number 2, what are the characteristics of continuous and comprehensive evaluation? It increases the workload on students by taking multiple tests. So this is not correct. It replaces marks with grades. Yes, it is correct. It evaluates every aspect of the students. It is also correct. It helps in reducing examination phobia. This is also correct. So our correct answer is B, C and D. So fourth one is the correct one. Next question is question number 3. Which of the following attributes denote great strengths of a teacher? Full-time active involvement in the institutional management, setting examples, willingness to put assumptions to the test, acknowledging mistakes. So this B, C and D, this involvement is required of a teacher, but in case of management, we can overlook this option A. So correct option is B, C and D. Second one is the correct answer. Now question number 4. Which one of the following statements is correct in the context of multiple choice type questions? So it is talking about MCQ. They are more objective than true false type questions. They are less objective than essay type questions. They are more subjective than short answer type questions. They are more subjective than true false type. So correct option is 1. So now next question is question number 5. As a chairman of an independent commission on education, Jacques Delors' report to UNESCO was titled. So its correct option is third one. Learning the treasure within. Now question number 6. What are required for good teaching? Diagnosis, remedy, direction, feedback. So all 4 are required. So our correct option is this first one, A, B, C and D. Now question number 7. Which of the following statements is not true in the context of participatory research? It recognizes knowledge as power. It emphasizes on people as experts. It is a collective process of inquiry. Its sole purpose is production of knowledge. So it's talk about not true. So fourth one is not true. So our correct option is fourth one. Which of the following statements is true in the context of the testing of a hypothesis? It is only the alternative hypothesis that can be tested. It is only the null hypothesis that can be tested. Both the alternative and null hypothesis can be tested. Both the alternative and null hypothesis cannot be tested. So correct option is 2. Null hypothesis is tested and decision is taken based on this whether it is accepted or rejected. Now question number 9. Which of the following are the basic rules of APA style of referencing format? So APA is nothing but American Psychological Association institutions, which is the referencing formatting style. So according to this, italicized titles of shorter works such as journal articles or essays. So this is not correct. So our articles or essays not in italic. Invert authors names last name first. This is true. Italicized titles of longer works such as books or journals. So this is also true. Alphabetically index reference list is also true. So B, C and D is correct. The second one is the correct answer. Which of the following are the characteristics of a seminar? It is a form of academic instruction. It involves questioning, discussion, and debates. It involves large groups of individuals. It needs involvement of skilled persons. So here correct answer is 4, A, B, and D. So this is not true. Rest of the options are correct. Now we have question number 11. A researcher is interested in studying the prospects of a particular political party in an urban area. What tool should he prefer for the study? So it's the correct option is third one, questionnaire. Ethical norms in research do not involve guidelines for thesis format, copyright, patenting policy, data sharing policy. So thesis format is about the organization of the thesis. So it does not come under ethical norms. Now read the following passage carefully and answer question numbers 13 to 17. You can pause the video and read the passage thoroughly. Now we will jump to the question 13. When confronted with signing a big card, the author felt like a rabbit in the headlight. What does this phrase mean? So answer of this you can find from the first para. So here it is written that a rabbit in the headlights tone between doing a fun message or some sort of in joke or a drawing. So there is a type of confusion. So correct option is a state of confusion. So correct option is fun. Question number 14. According to the author, which one is not the most creative outlet of pursuit? So handwriting, photography, sketching, and reading. So correct option is fourth one, reading. Now question number 15. The entire existence of the author revolves around computer, mobile phone, typewriter. Identify the correct answer from the quotes given below. So correct is A and B, not typewriter. So second one is the correct answer, A and B only. Author frequently used computer and mobile phone, not typewriter is mentioned in the passage. Now question number 16. How many teens as per the big survey do not own a pen? So here in para 3, a poll of 1000 teens by the stationers Big found that 1 in 10 don't own a pen. So simply you can calculate 1000 divided by 10. So there is 100 teens don't own the pen according to this passage. So correct option is fourth one. Now question number 17. What is the main concern of the author? That the teens use social networks for communication, that the teens use mobile phones, but that the teens use computer, that the teens have forgotten the art of handwriting. So fourth one is the correct answer. The main concern of the author is that the teens have forgotten the art of handwriting. Now question number 18. The main objectives of student evaluation of teachers are to gather information about student weaknesses, to make teachers take teaching seriously, to help teachers adopt innovative methods of teaching, to identify the areas of further improvement in teacher traits. So correct answer from the course below is that we are talking about evaluation of teachers. So information about student weakness is not the correct option, and rest B, C, and D correct. So second one is the correct option. Now question number 19. Using the central point of the classroom communication as the beginning of a dynamic pattern of ideas is referred to as, your correct option is fourth one, mind mapping. Aspects of the voice other than the speech are known as, the correct option is third, para language. Now next questions we will solve in the next video. Now question number 21. Every type of communication is affected by its reception, transmission, non-regulation, context. So correct option is fourth, context. Attitudes, actions and appearances in the context of classroom communication are considered as verbal, non-verbal, impersonal, irrational. So action, definitely it is non-verbal. So second is the correct option. Now question number 23. Most often the teacher-student communication is spurious, critical, utilitarian, confrontational. So utilitarian is useful, practical. So third option is correct. Now question number 24. In a classroom, a communicator's trust level is determined by the use of hyperbola, the change of voice level, the use of abstract concepts, eye contact. So correct option is fourth one, eye contact. Now question number 25. The next term in the series. So here we'll find the next term 2 and 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10 and 10 plus 7 is 17 plus 9 is 26 and now plus 11 is 37. So next term would be plus 13. So 37 plus 13 is 50. So first one is the correct answer. So one thing I'd like to tell you about the series is that whenever you will find that there is not a huge jump in the subsequent numbers, so definitely there will be addition if series is increasing. If it is decreasing, then definitely there would be subtraction. If in the numbers there is a drastic change like 1, 50, 100 this way, so definitely there would be multiplication. Only you will have to find what number is to be added or multiplied according to series. So here there is not much changes in the series, so definitely there will be some addition, and what number is added here, just we have to find it, and easily we can solve any series. Now question number 26. A group of 210 students appeared in some test. The mean of one-third of students is found to be 60. The mean of remaining students is found to be 78. The mean of the whole group will be, so mean is nothing but the average. So their total number of students are 210. The mean of one-third students is found to be 60. So let the marks of first student say S1, and in this way the marks of 17th students is S10. So average of this is given as 60, and similarly we can write for S71 to S210. So it is two-third students, so 210 into 2 divided by 3, that is 140. This is equal to 78. We have to find S1 to S210, the average of all the students. So from these two equations we can easily find it. So we can find the numerator term by simply summation of these two numerator terms, which is nothing but 70 into 60 plus 140 into 78 and divided by 210. Easily we can solve this term and we'll get the answer. It is up to you that how you make the calculation simple. For example, by taking common 70, which is 3 times of 210, so easily you can solve this problem and answer will come 4th, which is 72. Now, question number 27. Anil, after traveling 6 kilometers towards east from his house. So, for such type of problems, first draw the direction like this. This is north, this is south, east and west. So according to question, after traveling 6 kilometers towards east, so in this direction, sorry, in this direction 6 kilometers from his house, so this is house, realized that he was traveling in a wrong direction. He turned and traveled 12 kilometers towards west. So from this point he turns and 12 kilometers towards west. So this is 12. Turn right and traveled 8 kilometers to reach his office. So here face is toward west and it will turn towards right. So in north direction he will move 8 kilometers and reach his office. So now the straight distance of the office from his house is, so here we have to calculate this distance. So simply this term you can find by subtracting 12 from 6. So it will come 6, and by applying Pythagoras theorem easily you can get this distance, which is nothing but square root of 80 square plus 6 square. So it will come 10 kilometer. Fourth one is the correct option. Now question number 28, the next term in the series. So to solve such type of problems, easily you can observe that B, C, D, E, F, G, H, so there will be I and next term will be J. So option may be 1 or 4th. 2 and 3 is cancel out. Now the last term we will see E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. So next term would be Q. So this is also cancel out. This fourth one would be our correct answer. We can cross check this middle term also, which is 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12, and 12 plus it is 15 is 27, and now what will add to 27 so that we can get 58. So here we'll observe this is, here it is 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15. So here you will observe that it is just double here. So 4 to 2, 8, 8 into 2 is 16. Add 16 into 15, which will be 31, and 27 plus 31 is nothing but 58. So third term is also verified here. Now question number 29, a party was held in which a grandmother, father, mother, 4 sons, their wives and 1 son and 2 daughters, to each of the sons were present. The number of females present in the party is. This is also very simple question. So in family there is grandmother and there is father and mother having 4 sons, their wives, and 1 son and 2 daughters. To each of the sons were present. So each of the sons have 1 son and 2 daughters. So we have to find the number of females. So there are 2 daughters for each son. So there will be 2 into 4, 8 daughters, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So there are total 14 number of females in the party. Question number 30. P and Q are brothers, R and S are sisters. The son of P is brother of S. Q is related to R as. So here P and Q are brothers and R and S are sisters. The son of P is brother of S. So consider there is son of P which is brother of S. So in this way, this S would be the daughter of P. As R and S are sisters to each other, so R also be a daughter of P. So in this way, obviously Q would be uncle of R. So option 3 is correct one. For rest of the questions, please go to my next video. Thanks for your kind attention. Your all suggestions are most welcome. Please like, share and comment and subscribe my channel Praveen 25488. All the best friends. Thank you very much.